Okay guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay everyone, my name is Fajar Said Besawat. So here I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to work on this topology. This topology is called static root basic. The purpose of the static root basic is to allow the network administrator to connect a router or network through another network. In the PC3, there's a network, another network, and PC1 that cannot be reached directly by that router. In this case, the PC1 and PC3. Okay, guys, and new tutorial. New and router one. Router one. Okay, you set name, set PC name, PC1, enter. Okay, your IP address, uh, 192.168.10.2 slash titik 1, enter. Yeah, I'm sorry guys, and IP, dan titik 2 slash 1, titik 1, enter guys. Okay, and you're safe. Okay, and next, do in the router 2, in router 2, set CNAME PC2, enter. New IP, graphics and IP titik titik 168 titik 1 enter guys. Okay, reset, and next and the PC3 set name, set PC name PC3, enter. Okay, and the IP 1 titik 2 slash 1 and gateway 1, enter. Okay, reset. Okay, and next and the router 1, and router 1. Okay, you enter and you write admin, you enter and you click key and control C, and you make name, system identity, set name and root 1, enter. Okay, like this. Okay, you enter and the IP and IP address and interface. Uh, okay, what guys? the topology, the ether true. Okay, yeah, in this the ether ether 2. Okay, enter, and the IP 12 plus take slash from interface ether and the ether 1. Okay, enter. You go to PC2, enter admin. Okay, you key Control C, and the system identity set them R2. Enter. Okay, enter. And you add IP address, IP address here and 12 system and interface uh, ether 1. Okay, ether 1, and you enter. And next IP 192.168.1 and IP in the disconnect the PC2 and interface ether 3. Okay, ether 3 and enter. Yeah, and next the IP is to connect to the ether 3. Yes, take one is start interface the ether 2. Okay, ether 2 and enter. Okay, the next to the in router 3 and enter admin, enter key Control C. System identity segment R3, enter. Okay, wait, yes, enter. And you add IP address, address. Uh, you in the this gateway in the router 2 and 23.2 access tempat interface in router 1 ether 1. Okay, ether 1. Next, and next IP disconnect to root visit and the gateway in the router 2 router 3. Okay, and take take one and slash and interface ether 2. Okay, enter. Okay, yeah, after you make in the IP address in the router in the PC, and next you configure IP root in the router. Okay, and next you make IP root in the router and the router IP root dt tst is the address, and you uh, in the IP network in the router too. Okay. Remember no. Okay. Gateway in the router too. And 12 tick 2. Okay. And you enter. Okay. And next IP root address you in the IP network and disconnect router 2 and router 2 and router 3. Okay, and now system part and gateway in the router 2 and install the and you enter. Okay, next IP root in the IP network in the you connect this router 3 and to router PC3. Okay, IP address minus 2.0 tempat. Okay, in the gateway 12 titik 2 guys. You enter. Okay, and next in the router 2, uh, you make a get IP root, okay, IP root, add dst address, and you in IP not bisa menggunakan titik 10 titik 0 and slash. Okay, in the router 2, uh, you write you ini masukkan in the router IP network in the connect router 1 and router APC 1 and gateway and router 1 you 12 tick 1 you enter. Okay, next you IP root the IP network connect to router 3 and PC 3 and IP network 192.168.30.0 and slash 24 you gateway gateway MAC IP in router 3. Okay, and 23 titik 2 and you enter. Okay, your router 3 and IP root td dst address 24 and the gateway. Okay, you IP network in disconnect to router 2 and router FPC2 and gateway in the router 2 in router 2 IP in router 2 gateway type 1. Okay, enter. Next you in IP network disconnect router 1 and router 2 and gateway and router 2 it is enter. Okay, Next, you uh, write IP network in the disconnect router 1 and PC 1. And gateway 3 and 1. Okay, you enter. Okay, guys. You next you check and you check uh, success or no. Okay, you ping. Okay, after finish the configuration, the next step is to ping. You ping IP in from PC1. This to check whether they are the connected or PC1 to PC3 to check whether they are connected or not. Okay, you ping IP in PC3. Ping. Okay, will take 2. You enter. Okay, guys. Uh, okay, and you configuration and successfully by uh, configuring the static root basic. We can connect the network that are not directly linked to our router through gateway that points toward the destination address, the destination network. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.